So we're at Kelly's Brothers band concert, the blank stairs, and we're selling merch right now. It's really awkward.
We're selling merch.
Yeah, I said that.
I know, but you said it kind of quietly.
Sorry.
It actually is really nice out.
Yeah, we're trying to be secretive about this because it's really awkward because there's a lot of people here. So Ellie is here right now. She's in Portugal.
Yeah, and we miss her dearly.
We do. We posted on our stories. Love you, Ellie. She's a thumbnail.
Oh. Let's take a photo then.
They're performing right now.
They started! It's really loud. I don't think it zooms in that way. It's so loud!
I know, like you can't hear anything.
Yeah, this is why I'm gonna be deaf on 10. Okay, we're chilling. They're about halfway through their set list. We're coming up with ideas.
Video ideas.
Yeah, I'll show you guys what we have for merch in a minute. It's kind of awkward because there's a bunch of people standing by us.
Yeah, and I feel like they're all looking at us.
Yeah, same. Oh. Oh, those lights are on. So we've got our hats, our keychains, our stickers, our magnets, our shirts. Oh, this fell. I didn't notice that fell. That's awkward, my bad. And then there's Kenzy. That's the ultimate purchase of the day. She's for sale. Men.
I'm a slave.
Okay. So the blank stairs are done. So now it's another band.
We're gonna get food.
I'm excited for popcorn.
Like shake-ups.
Maybe. Yeah.
And yeah, I might get a phone cake.
I kind of want popcorn first.
Yeah.
So we're waiting for the next band to start.
And popcorn.
What?
And popcorn.
Oh, and popcorn. I keep on forgetting about the food. You don't forget.
I don't forget about food.
Forget about food. DFAF. Don't forget about food.
DFAF.
DFAF.
It's really awkward because we're just kind of sitting here.
I know. I just pretend I'm talking to you.
And there's this one girl that came over and asked us if they had like a shirt in red, and we were just like,
Oh, someone asked if we had a shirt in red?
yeah.
Didn't I answer?
No. Didn't someone, and you're like, no, it's only these colors.
No, they're asking for gray.
And that's not good. Okay, well, yeah, they asked that. And they were just like, no. And then she came over and she saw like one of like the thingies. And she was like, oh, is this one of their albums? Like, no.
It's just a random phone. Kenzy's getting tired and she needs to snap out of it.
I'm fine.
We're staying up late tonight.
Yeah. We're watching. Someone just gave us a $100 bill.
I know! Everyone was looking at me when I did that! I was like, it's finally quiet, let's film. And then
it starts. Okay, so the final band's coming up.
I'm kind of want to go home and eat like churros. We have that churro cereal.
I'm having that one. I love cereal.
She comes to my house and she just eats all my cereal.
I love cereal. Because I don't have cereal at my house.
Why?
I don't know.
Or like, if you just smile, whatever.
I'm eating that. I want that.
I love it. It's so good. It's so good.
I love it. That was a thing.
It's so good. It's like the cinnamon toast crunch stuff, but it's like churro form. I love it.
I'm so excited.
I really want to try it with like vanilla ice cream.
I have vanilla ice cream in my house.
Okay, so we're gonna have to run to your house, come back to my house, and eat some. So yeah,
I still have not gotten used to myself.
without braces. I think I've gotten used to you. But I mean, as I've been looking at you the whole day, so.
It's true. I don't look at
That
myself.
makes it sounds weird. I've been looking at you all day. Kenzy's kind of having a rough day.
Yeah.
She was rejected by someone. But it's okay.
Who led me on?
Who led you on? Yeah. It's okay though.
That's happened like 4 times.
Yeah, let's move that.
It's fine.
It's okay. He didn't say that he didn't like you.
If there's any cute single guys out there, hit me up.
Slide into her DMs on Instagram.
That's about it. Yeah, final pick.
I have powdered sugar. I keep on inhaling the smell of people's vaping, and I feel like sick now.
It's a great time.
Yeah, it's fun. I just don't. Ugh. Yeah. It's 10:11. Kind of tired.
I want churros. And pizza. I want food.
Yeah, I'm kind of tired. The Way Down Wanderers are playing. They're pretty good, but I'm kind of tired.
Same. But we're staying up.
Yeah, no.
We're finishing watching Infinity War, and then we're gonna watch Titanic.
All tonight?
Maybe some in the morning.
Okay.
But we have to watch Titanic.
Is Titanic on Netflix?
No.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Okay. So it's been 10 minutes since our last update.
I'm just kind of getting a little bored. Like, I like watching them, but I'm kind of tired.
Yeah. I'm hungry still.
We just can't please Kenzy.
No food in the world would ever please me.
Turns out people are also smoking weed and other stuff.
It's fun.
Yeah, I like it, but at the same time, it's like not the weed thing, like the music. But at the same time, it's kind of like look at you look so funny.
What?
Oh, there we go. I don't know what to say either.
I'm excited for you to see Titanic.
Yeah, I haven't seen it before.
It's good.
I remember my parents watching it in Canada, but that's it. Oh, I mean, it looks like I'm zooming out.
There's someone fire twirling.
They've got fire on like sticks and they're like,
It's intense.
that sounds like really poisonous. Okay, we packed up the merch.
What?
We packed up the merch.
Yeah, we packed up the merch. There's these girls staying right next to us who, their glow stick exploded, and they're like little kids, and they're like
Rubbing it into their hands. They're like,
rubbing it into their hands, and like they're rubbing it on each other. And
it
it's
landed
very
on our
poisonous.
funnel cake, and like it's very, very poisonous, and we don't know what to do. And their
like,
parents
it
are
looks like-
around.
And it looked like they burned one of their skin on their ankle.
and their parents like aren't around.
Yeah.
Like they seem okay, but like we don't know what to do.
We're concerned. And this is why I don't like kids and don't want kids.
Kenzy hates kids.
Yeah. Sorry, people. I like babies. Babies are adorable, but I don't like kids.
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
Either I'm scared. I don't want them to like.
Yeah, because that's our fault since we didn't say anything. But still their parents' fault. Like they're like maybe 7, 8.
Yeah.
And their parents are like, no way.
People could steal them.
Like I could totally grab them right now and say that they're like my sisters.
Or like someone could get them alcohol or drugs.
No, not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
Bad.
Bad. Okay, so, oh wow, look at that professional lighting. So there's a girl standing there with the glow stick, and like her mom was not around, and we were like watching them the whole time. That's that. Or...
Sweet Caroline's playing. Sorry, it's just kind of like my anthem. Katie made that her batting song. Oh, like when they walk up, she made Sweet Caroline.
Aww.
Yeah, so I'm glad we're out of there. I love like going to like these like music things and all that stuff, and I get to go to a lot like with my brother being in this band. But like there's sometimes some really sketchy people. That should be another video, like talking about like sketchy experiences, because like I've had so many experiences with like sketchy like drunk and like high people. And like there's so many people like smoking,
like homeless people.
Yeah, and it's just scary, like especially when you're like a 15-year-old girl like by yourself.
Yeah,
it can be scary. But yeah, there's like this 8-year-old girl, her mom like completely left her. And I was just like,
well, there was 2 girls, and the mom left with the other one and just left the other girl there.
I mean, who are we to judge like her parenting or anything like that? But like
and
I was just,
the glow stick like thing was all over her hands and everything.
I wonder how poisonous glow sticks are.
Look it up. We're gonna look it up.
My phone's at 13%.
Okay, we're not gonna look
We'll
it
look it up later.
I'll look it up.
Yeah, but like
We'll do some research.
Yeah,
but it was like they put it on her ankles and it looked like she got like a chemical burn or something like that.
but she didn't seem to react to it.
That's true.
I was like so close to saying something like, hey, like you might not want to mess with that, but I didn't want to freak them out.
Yeah, that's true.
Because then I would have felt bad.
I think it's better that they would have been freaked out than done that.
True. I don't know. Well, no, here's what should have happened. Their mom should have been there and been like, hey.
Yeah,
and then their mom came up and they showed her, and she was just like,
ha.
Ha, ha. And then Kenzy and I were glaring at her, so that was...
because like, okay, you should know that even if you don't know glow stick specifically, the foreign substance.
Yeah, shouldn't you be a little worried? Maybe she was drunk.
She probably was drunk, or high, or both.
Yeah. I've got much experience with high and drunk
question is
people.
like, why would you bring...
I don't know, but they were into all the songs and like were yelling, "Oh, we love you, Colin," and like saying all the way down Wanderer's names and stuff. Like, I looked around, there was like little like 3-year-olds singing the songs. I'm like,
what?
I only know like 2.
I didn't know any. I didn't even know they existed. So. That's awkward.
Should we end the video or should we film once we get home? We can film once we get home. Yeah. Be like blank stairs gig / sleepover.
Yeah.
We miss Ellie.
And then we really miss Ellie. It's not the same without her.
Yeah. I mean, we still have fun.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. But just missing our little musketeer. Little Ellie.
Hi guys, what's up? Hi, I'm Kenzy and I play soccer.
Yeah, she said that. What's another thing she says?
My bad, that's awkward.
She
doesn't say much on camera.
She was like, not gonna lie, that turns me on.
Yeah, she says that a lot.
Yeah. They're gonna be really confused now. I'm not gonna lie. It's a long story.
Inside joke. Ellie doesn't talk much on camera.
She doesn't.
No, I think she's just like scared.
Just like clueless.
She just and then she'll just like chime in and say stuff. I think Ellie's scared to talk on camera. We're working on it.
Oh wait. Would that be delivery pickup? Hi, we want a cheese pizza.
Cash or credit?
Oh, that's right.
Yes. Yeah, everyone's drunk and high.
Yeah, it's scary because like I feel like in a movie and then they'll like start like banging on the window back there and
we'll be okay. Yeah. Oh, I never explained this. We're in the car. We walked back to put the merch back in our car. and we decided to stay in here because we both kind of felt nauseous from like the amount of weed and but it's fun. Like we're complaining about it, but it's like one of those things where it's like it's fun, but it takes like a lot out of you. It's like Coachella.
Yeah, Coachella's gonna be like that.
Yeah,
we're going to Coachella together.
it's a dream. So yeah, I'll get you guys later when we have churros.
Oh yeah, boy.